Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the same book, Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Matthew N. Osadike and Charles K. Alexander. Okay. As usual, we first come to its statement. Dear students, this problem, like previous problem, is also of very basic initial level. We are almost dealing with such type of problems since middle school level. Okay. Our previous problem was also of the same nature. Okay. In previous problem as well as in this current problem, Ohm's law is applicable. Okay. In previous problem we had determined resistance using Ohm's law, while in this problem we are going to determine current in using Ohm's law. The same formula, almost no difference. Okay. So now let us come to its solution in a formal manner. Okay. First we are going through its statement. Okay. The essential component of a toaster is an electrical element, a resistor, that converts electrical energy to heat energy. How much current is drawn by a toaster with resistance 15 ohm at 110 volts? Okay. Here what is given? A resistance is given and voltage is given, and we have to determine current. We will apply the same formula as we applied in previous problem. That is to say, this problem as well as previous problem both fall under the jurisdiction of Ohm's law. Okay. So now we start our solution in a formal manner. Okay. Solution. The resistance R of an element denotes its ability to resist the flow of electric current. It is measured in ohms. Its symbol is omega, Greek alphabet omega. Okay, dear students, we have started solution of this problem as if perhaps we are going to determine resistance, but we are not going to find out resistance. We are going to determine current. But for current, the same statement works exactly uh, and correctly. Okay. It does not make any difference whether we want to know resistance or current. Okay. Moreover, one thing which becomes relevant here and was also pointed out in previous problem is that reciprocal of resistance is conductance. Okay. Conductance means ease, that is to say facility regarding flow of current, while resistance is its reciprocal, and resistance provides a hindrance in the flow of current. Okay. Here conductance or conductivity is not our primary concern, but because conductivity and resistivity, conductance and resistance are inversely proportional to each other, reciprocal of each other. So we have pointed out here that resistance and conductance are reciprocal of each other. Okay. Here we are again going to express Ohm's law. Okay. Ohm's law says that resistance R is equal to voltage V over current I. Okay. Here voltage V is equal to 110 volts while resistance R is equal to 15 ohm. Okay, symbol omega. While I is to be determined, current is to be determined, we are going to determine current, we are going to find out value of current. Hence, resistance R is equal to voltage V over current I. This implies that I is equal to V over R. What we have done, we have just reshaped this expression. Okay, even if we do not reshape this expression, we can find out current, because the only difference will be that first we will put a value of R and value of I, and then at a later stage we will convert I on other side of equation. Okay, but here we have uh, in the starting we have reshaped our formula or expression. So current I has become equal to voltage V over resistance R. Here V is 110 volts while resistance R is 15 ohm, symbol omega. So this becomes equal to 7.33333333 ampere. Okay. Actually, dear students, I have repeated 33333 because when we divide 10 by 3, a similar situation arises that repeat after decimal repetition begins. Okay, so here our current has become equal to 7.333 ampere, and this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.